Let me show you how a real estate chatbot works. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello. And here I'm getting this welcome message with this button which I have selected. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting the list of the farmhouses which I'm going to select. So now let's say I'm going to select this first option or the first list item, that is Sunset Valley Farm. And as I have selected it, I'm getting the image, and with this image I'm getting all the details with this button, that is book visit, which I have selected. And as I have selected it, it is asking me to select the date for the visit. So here I'm going to select this first date, that is for the July 14, 2026. And as I have selected it, it is asking me to enter my full name. So here I have provided my full name. And as I have provided it, I'm getting this message which consists of the farm type which I have just selected, the date and the name which I have just entered. So by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you can even send personalized messages. And right here this message says, if you have any question about properties, pricing, amenities, home loans, or the buying process, our AI assistant is ready to help. You just have to type the question. So now let's enter a random question and see whether we get the answer of that question or not. But before that, let's move on towards my Google Sheet to see whether we are receiving all these details over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the same farm type which I have just selected, the full name and the preferred date which I have just entered over my WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's enter a random question and see the working of this chatbot. So here I am going to enter this question, that is, do you provide bank loan assistance? And right here I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question and see whether we get the answer or not. And here I have entered this question. And right here I'm getting the answer of my question. So here you can see that this WhatsApp chatbot which is performing multiple tasks, whether it's booking the site visit, saving the data to the Google Sheet, providing images to the customer, providing them the personalized messages, or resolving all their queries. This WhatsApp chatbot is performing multiple tasks. So now you can imagine this chatbot for your business too, which is going to perform multiple tasks at a time. And now you don't have to manually type the messages, ask for the details of your customers, or save those details to the Google Sheet. And now you don't have to even reply to the customers regarding their inquiries, because this chatbot is performing all your tasks. So now let me show you how I have created this chatbot by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So for creating this chatbot, you have to move toward the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here you can see that this is the flow which I have created for this chatbot. And here you can see this is the automation which I have created by integrating Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheet, by using which I'm saving the data over my Google Sheet. So now let me tell you how you can create this chatbot for your own business too. So for that, you have to access Pabbly Chatflow by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation or this chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. And right here I'm on the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And we are going to create this chatbot by using these messages and actions block, which you can see on the left hand side. And here we get this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the regex, or if your user starts a conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. And right here we are getting this option for entering the keyword. So as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the message which has just initiated our WhatsApp chatbot. And the next, I have used the text button node by drag and drop. And you can even get this note from this message block too, where I have entered this welcome message, and here I have created this button by simply selecting this add button. And the next, I have created the list of the farm types by using this list node. And in this list, I have added some items, and you can add many more items to your list likewise. And now I want to get which farm type my user has selected. So for that, I have provided contact custom field. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field farm type will consist of the farm type selected by my user. And right here, it is asking me to enter the value. So here I have entered it. And for this contact custom field, I have to move towards the actions where I'm getting this set custom field node, which I have used for providing it. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you can create your own contact custom field. And the next, I have provided the images of all these farmhouses by using this media button node. So by using this media button, you can provide images, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So this node is doing so. And right here I have provided the image of all the farm types, and by simply selecting this add content, I have got this text button where I have provided all its details and created this button, that is book visit. And now as soon as my user will select this button, that is book visit, I have used this date and time node given over the message block, by using which I'm asking for the preferred date of the visit from my user. For that, I have entered this body over here, and right here I have selected the days for which my user can book the appointment or can book the visit. And here I have provided the days in advance, and here I have selected the contact custom field date for this date attribute. And the next, I have entered a question asking for the full name, and for that I have used this ask question node given over the actions block. And now we are on this API request node, which I have got through this actions block. And here I have selected my request method as post, and here I have entered this webhook URL. So by using this API request node, I have connected this particular flow with my Google Sheet, where I'm saving the data as soon as I will get the data. So for that, I have used another application provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate varieties of applications. So right here you can see in my Pabbly Connect, I have already integrated both these applications, that is Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheet. And here you can see that we are getting this webhook URL which I have entered in this API request node, so that I can connect this particular flow with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that this is the response which I have received, and these are the parameters for which I want to save the data. And according to these keys, I have selected the contact custom field, and I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect, which we have recently seen over here. And the next, I have saved this data over my Google Sheet named as visit data, which you can see here. And now by using this automation, I have saved the data over my Google Sheet regarding the details which I am receiving. And the next, I have entered my confirmation message in this question node, and this confirmation message consists of some variables such as farm type, date and full name. So these signifies the contact custom field which we have just selected. So as soon as my user will provide me the answer, the responses will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message. And the next, I have assigned the AI assistant, because in this question node, I'm asking for the query of my customer. So as I have entered it, I have assigned this AI assistant, which I have created inside my Pabbly chat flow. And this AI assistant is responding on the basis of the knowledge base which I have provided to it. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have provided to my AI assistant, which basically acts as the brain for our AI assistant. So by using this knowledge base, my AI assistant is responding to me over here. So by using this chatbot, you can see that we can perform multiple tasks. And right here I have selected the AI assistant which I have created. And here I want my AI assistant to start with the client message, means the query of the customer. So as soon as my AI will get the query of the customer, it will instantly respond to them. So this was the process for creating this amazing chatbot, which is going to perform multiple tasks. So now you can also create this WhatsApp chatbot for whatever business you are running, and not only real estate business, which is going to save up a lot of your time and help you to grow your business. And now you don't have to manually interact with any of your customers, because this automation is going to do so, and it is going to work 24 into 7 too. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.